See, okay. See, we are taking these 5 locations. Whatever the data in these 5 locations, we are going to exchange here. Okay. So this is another 5 location. Okay. The data is just we are exchanging. The AA is going to move to 30H address. See, after execution, this A is moved to 30H. This B is moved to 31. C is moved to CC is moved to 32. So like that, sequentially, we are trying to exchange here. The data are just exchanging. After execution, you can see just the data is whatever the one is moved here and AA is moved to here. Okay. So I want the students just a simple operation. Just we are going to use exchange the data and what are all the requirement. See how many locations you are going to exchange. That is the main point. For example, I'm going to take 5 locations. Then probably I want to use 05 as a data in one register, and this register has to be decremented. This register has to decremented each and every data exchange. Okay, that's why this data is decrement and jump to the corresponding loop, that is 5. 5 is the label. If it is not 0, if it is not 0, jump to here. You can jump to 5 later. Okay. Now, see where your loop starts here. Okay, this is your loop starts. Here you are going to exchange your data from one location to another location. So before that, you have to tell to the controller that to which address I am going to exchange. That's why I'm taking some of the register for pointing the source and destination. The pointer register, let us take a 2 register and I'm going to put some value here, which is the source address. That is, as per this instruction, the data 40H is moved to R1. So now, once after moving to register, the 40H will be in R1 and 30H will be R0. But as of now, it is not pointing to memory address. When it is going to point to memory address, if you place at R0, now whatever the data in R0, so at R0, R0 is nothing but 30H. At 30H, whatever the data, that is 0, 1, 0, 1, that will be moved to accumulator. This is moved to accumulator. Okay. Now we are going to exchange here. Exchange accumulator with at R1. Now we are going to exchange between accumulator with respect to, because the data which is there in 30H, we have moved to accumulator. So now accumulator has a value that 01H. Okay. Now we have an instruction XCH accumulator, comma, at R1. R1 is 41H. So now the data is exchanged here. After exchange, so here after exchange, now what is the value in accumulator? What is the value in accumulator? And what is the value will be at R1? That is memory location 40. 40 at 40H. Anybody can say? So these are all very simple programs. What is the value in accumulator now? What is the value in accumulator? After exchange, accumulator will have a data. AAH. Okay. And at R1, that is 40H address, we have a value 01H. Okay. Now data is at 41, you have put the data 01. Now I want to put the data that is AA, which is there in the accumulator. I want to push to at R0. Now at R0, now R0 at R0, the data AA is pushed or copied. Okay. See, at R0 is 30H. See, after exchange, you can see AA is moved to 30H and 01H is moved to 40H. Okay. This is for single, that is only one location is exchanged. Now what I'm going to do is, since R0 and R1 is a memory pointer, which points to memory location 30H and 40H, I'm going to increment. So we are moving to the next location now. Here, now we are going to 31 and 41. It is after incrementing. Now I'm going to decrement R2. Because R2 I have placed 5. Now it is going to be 4. Okay, how many times you want to exchange? So decrement, now it is 4. Jump to F. Check the condition that it is not 0. Not 0. The condition is true. It is not 0. So then probably it will go to. Then once again exchange. These two data will be exchanged. Okay. So like this, 5 times the data will be exchanged. For 4th time, this data is exchanged. For third time, these two data are exchanged. For 2nd time, if R2 is decremented to 2, these two data are exchanged. It is 0, 1. 0, 1. These two data are exchanged. Okay. After the last, the condition is 0, 0. Now the value after decrementing, now it is 0, 0. If R0 is 0, 0, the condition is not 0, no. The condition is false. Here the condition is false, then the controller will not jump to the loop, then it will come to the next instruction. Okay. Then we will hit up. See, any doubt? It is a very simple program. Any doubt? Shall we execute these things in software? So I will take this main program. Okay. I will copy it and I will try to paste it in some program. Okay. I will use software to execute this. Okay. So always start your program with origin. You can use somehow in lab manual, they have mentioned 30H, no problem. You can use that also because something we do for interrupt also. Okay, the same program. So I'm going to execute by software now. See, 0. Now I'm going to debug it. So for debug, So what is the memory location I should use? What is my source memory location? What is my source memory location? I don't know what students are doing. See, for internal memory, see, you tell me what is the input for this program. We are going to exchange two locations, right? So internal memory, you should type internal colon and what is the memory address. 0x stands for hexadecimal, and 30 stands for corresponding 30H address. Okay. So in this address, I'm going to place my input value. That is, I'm going to have some values here, which I want to exchange with another location. Okay. So now I'm going to exchange the value so that I'm going to give 0x40 location also. So where I'm going to load the another file data. Okay, fine. So everything is stored in hexaform. Okay. So now I have given input data. These are all the input data. In 30H, I have given sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. At 40H, I have given 11, 12, 13. So 11, 22, 33, 44. 5 locations I have taken. So now I'm going to run the program and check out whether the data has exchanged or not. See, in 40H, now it is exchanged. Previously, it was 11, that is 0B something. Now it is 01, just exchanged. Okay, if you go to see now in this position, the data is in sequence now 1, 2, 3, 4, which is exchanged. Now we will go and see data which is in 30H. You can see this data. So previously I have the data. Okay, see in 40 location 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So this is how the data is exchanged from one location to another location. See, very simple program. Only this is the logic. Okay. This is your counter. How many data you are going to push. This is the memory pointer register which points the address. This address I'm going to increment for every loop so that next locations will be taken and exchanged. That's it. Only 3 instructions. Any doubt you can ask me so that we can move on to the next experiments. Any doubt? Any doubt? So this is your source. Okay. 30H is going to be loaded to R0 register, where this 30H is going to be your source point, source memory pointer. In similar way, we have 40H, which is going to be destination pointer. And this is for counting how many data you want to exchange. It is like count. Okay. And this is where the data is going to be exchanged. And here where the source memory pointers is incremented. Okay. Okay. So you can use memory pointer is incremented. Okay. It's both R0 and R1. Okay. This is to check count equal to count is 0 or not. Count is 0 or not. Okay. If it is 0, then the condition is false, then come out from the. Okay, simple programs. So this kind of programs you can expect in exams also. So try to understand few things. Okay. So any doubt here?